Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can scan QR codes by your Motorola G23. So at the start open the camera app, then in the photo section go to the settings and open the AI settings. Then make sure that you have a Google Lens enabled, and if it's power on, just go back to the camera and you can see that we have this Google Lens icon. So tap on it, add the permissions, and just take a photo of the QR code. You can see this is the QR code and this is the address from this QR code, so we can directly visit this website. And it's worked perfect. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.